Igbo Channels TV, you're welcome. Somebody should follow him. He's a good guy. So the best you can ever get, just like as I saw Igbo Channels TV and I said somebody should follow him, I always do this. He didn't pay me any money. He didn't pay me. But I've done my best to promote his page. If he has not gotten anything, at least 3,000 or 4,000 followers from these lips. Because you're doing the right thing, because you stick to what is right, because I saw that your integrity, if we encourage you, you won't be corrupt. That's why I'm doing it. That's why I'm doing it. Nobody paid me. But people call me and tell me, Governor, I'll give you 100, 200,000, promote my page, and I didn't do that. The ones you can do for the next person, open the door wide open. Let the person also pass and test something. Frustration can make some people not to even speak the truth again. So give somebody a light.